Welcome to Design Tech Center. Let's learn about the steps involved in car design process. The car designer starts with a product concept developed by the product planning department. Information is received from market surveys. Designers take their ideas for a car that matches the conceptual plan and begin working to transfer these ideas into a design. Designers make sketches while imagining specific targets, the kind of customers who will drive the vehicle and how it will be used. Designers draw by hand or by using computer graphics software. The best and most promising sketches are chosen. The package is the geometrical specifications of design. On the basis of this package, the sketches are developed until general engineering needs are met. The two-dimensional drawings on paper are converted to three dimensions. The computer renderings are used not only to visualize the concept as an object but also to see the car's physical dimensions in measured terms so that detailed drafts can be drawn. Clay models are produced to judge whether the designs also produce the desired effect in three dimensions. All the details of the new model are handcrafted to produce a real looking model. All the characteristic features of the new car become apparent. Sketches are drawn of interior of car and these sketches are used for making 3D digital models. 1:1 clay model is created based on digital modeling. Materials and colors are chosen for the interior. The trim lines for the car are defined from hundreds of fabric and leather samples and colors. Along with the trim and color choices, detailed models of the interior are also used to make adjustments and refinements to the driver's controls and the dashboard's displays and design. All materials and colors are presented on an intricate 1:1 ratio interior model in standard production geometry. The exterior and interior and their respective features are combined by hand to produce a deceptively real looking final model. All the characteristic features of the new car become apparent. Management and the company's board of directors will now give final approval for the vehicle. In the last stage of the process, the final design model, which has been approved, is described in 3D data, the so-called Class A data, which is given to design engineers for designing Class B and Class C surfaces of plastic parts, BIW and lighting system. Thank you for watching the entire process. Like, share and comment on this video. Please subscribe Design Tech Center and press on the bell icon to get the notifications of the upcoming videos.